OrthoTrac software, making a courtesy discount adjustment help demo. Problem: a family friend has come in for treatment and you would like to discount his treatment. Solution: in order to discount the treatment, a courtesy discount adjustment must be posted to his ledger. Let's take a look at how to post a courtesy discount adjustment. From the patient's chart, click the Financial Functions icon. Next, click the Adjustments icon. In the Type of Adjustment section, select Discount. In the Type of Discount section, select Courtesy Discount. In the Discount Amount field, enter the amount of the discount as a negative dollar amount. Enter an explanation for the discount in the comment field. Then, click Post. Next, click the Ledger icon to view the patient's ledger. Notice that the courtesy discount adjustment is displayed in pink and the related comment is displayed in purple. This concludes the help demo, making a courtesy discount adjustment.